We are a $4 million US turnover company, 12 people, actually 2 management, international skill, 3 application engineers, 3 salespeople, administration and logistic. Well, actually, this is the way we follow, and this is the way we strongly believe the business we should build. I'm going to explain it slowly, step by step, in the next pictures, but generally the idea is to see the things others don't see and to do things others don't do, or at least be the first one who is doing those things. Well, what we think the most important step is to assist the customer at design. So what we do, we try to share our experience, our knowledge base with the customers. We try to be as much as possible open to make customer design easy, quick, and effective. At the time the customer starts to build a prototype, we do everything we can to help customers build their application in a very short time. So one of the points to reach this point is we borrow developer kits, we don't sell them. This is actually part which is strongly financed by Elproma, and we want to make as less as possible complicated access to the developer kits, to information. Just let customers focus on the design and let them build a prototype as soon as possible. Of course, the point of the success is X-Stock sample delivery, which is as much important part of our success story. Actually, we are winning with the companies like Siemens because all goods from Elproma are X-Stock delivery. So we pack it today, we deliver tomorrow. Well, at the production step, important thing is to deliver goods just in time. Of course, nobody wants to carry stock today, nobody wants to throw the money, but on the other hand, we need to offer something, once again, to make customer life easy and trying to thinking on the way like we are producing the product for the customer. Rapid service and technical support. As you have seen before, we have 3 engineers. They are continuously working on any problem, question, whatever customer comes to Elproma with a question, we try to answer it together with the Motorola. And that's what customers like, because this is part of the work we do. We believe that if we take a very special care for the customer, if we work for the customer, he will stay with us. This is actually the only policy we strongly believe. It is warranty somehow to us that the customers will stay with us for the future. Okay, how can we help more? At the steps 1 till 3, it's actually designing, building prototype, and the production part. Those 3 steps we also use to take a product, a customer, out of the competitor hand, which is very much important. We have met a couple of customers who were left alone with their problems, building products using Siemens, Telit, and we helped them. And they were so happy that we are helping them that they transfer the product to us. Of course, this is requiring some special support. So what we did is, if the customer is already approached by one of our competitors, we offer something special. We are telling to this customer, we are ready to design for you. We don't count the cost. We pay the price, but as a result, we get the customers. He saved the money, but he's getting extremely quick transfer from competitive product to Motorola product. And we believe it really works. I know in many countries the telecom operators, they do not want to subsidize product anymore. It is actually the same in Poland, but Poland is quite special. The analog telecom infrastructure in Poland was not so good in the past as in other Western countries. So at the time of the transferring to free economy market, which happens early in the 90s, that brings great opportunity for wireless telecommunication. There was no business anymore to dig holes in the ground, put all those cables for analog transmission. So the wireless operators, they discover very quickly this is a business for them to build as soon as possible GSM networks and to extend. And I would say at the moment we have one of the most modern technology network running in our region, in East Europe region, including edge technology, GPRS. They are very much inexpensive in Poland. This is generating a new business, many possibilities. So also a part of it is helping a customer to finance their production. Actually, we do operate on a very much price-sensitive market. East European countries are not as rich as France, Germany, other Western countries. So many customers, they actually have a serious economic problems just to start up. They have fantastic ideas. They know how to put it on paper, they know how to build a technology product, but the financing seems to be problems. So we came up with the idea to go back to subsidizing. We talked to several operators trying to prove to them there are reasons to go on such way for a for telemetry market, and they agree with that. So right now our big part of the business is looking for a small customers who has great idea, who wants to do something, and then we are trying to help them arrange the relationship with the operators, which let us benefit on that way that today we are ready to supply to customers a complete infrastructure, starting from the design till supporting their customer, end user's customer, to run their application. We are ready to deliver the product, the SIM cards, the abonnements, everything. So appointing a small companies, small customers, like engineering companies who are very much ambitious, once again having great ideas, but in case if they don't know how to plan their business because of financing problem, production problem, we are offering complete infrastructure, creating work, whatever it is, creating work for your own company or for customer, you will benefit on that. So of course we do direct customer visits, advertising, press releases. We feel a little bit like we are the art guys. We create the wireless history right now, okay? We are a part of it. So we invest also money to show the customers the solutions, the ideas which are in our mind. We thank you, Motorola people and all our friends. Thank you very much for making our M2M business possible. Well, secondly, I'm considering what do we need from Motorola?